Scaling up parts is a great thing, but if you can't power them up, it can be frustrating. So today, I wanted to share with you a few techniques on how to power up fully scaled building parts. As you can see, I have prepared a few examples which are fully scaled power doors, fully scaled teleporter modules, and finally a fully scaled short-range teleporter. Each of these will need a different technique, but these are the easiest ways I have found so far for each of them. So let's begin with the powered doors. For the powered doors, let's first check the regular doors, as there is something interesting to their connectors. If you look at the alloy door, the connection point is hidden inside the connector, while the stone door, the connector is slightly out of it. And finally, the timber one, the connectors are even further out. Now, if you look at them in sets, you can see that each of these connectors is occupying the same location, no matter what material. Knowing this, we can use the same technique for each of these doors to power them up. Alright, select the floor, and that should snap on top of the scaled up powered door. Duplicate this door here and snap it on the back of the floor. It should automatically resize to the original part. Now position another door here in the front and reverse wire glitch it. Pull the other end of the wire to the connector of the power door in the back. This should now result in a straight up and angled connector. Select the small hydroponic tray and then wire glitch it on top of the connector here. The hydroponic tray is now glitched angled downwards, which makes the connector perfectly located for the power door. The only thing left to do now is connect a power line to that connector, which will close down the scaled powered door. We can now delete everything except of course the power against the door. For the other doors we could use the same technique. The next building part is the teleporter module. Again, we cannot connect any power to it. Let us select a small alloy floor panel and toggle to the wire. Position the wire on the center of the connector and then wire glitch the floor instead. Do not move your build camera, but simply toggle back to the wire and place it on top of that floor. And now pull the other end of the wire to the power connector we prepared here. Now you can delete the floor and the teleporter module is powered up. The final build item is the scaled up short-range teleporter. We will be using a similar technique as we did with the teleporter module, but the problem here is that the connector creates a larger collision. So instead of using an alloy floor panel, we will be using the light floor. So select the light floor and toggle to the wire. Now wire glitch the light floor on the center of the connector here. The connector of the light floor will now have merged inside here. Connect that connector, the connector from your light floor, and bring it to the power we have prepared here. Delete the light floor, and there you go, our short-range teleporter powered up and ready to use. These were 3 techniques to power up different scaled up items. Be aware, this only works on fully scaled parts, and when you plan on making smaller items, you will have to do some experimenting to find the perfect location. While in the future this issue might be solved, at least now you have a way to work around it. Thanks for watching, and as always, be sure to like and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. If you have any other interest in how to scale up building parts, then check out these videos here. This was Beeblebum. Goodbye for now.